Recording? Red light on? Yeah. Yeah.
All right.
Sorry. Fuck!
Ready? Suppressing fire.
Go!
Go, 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 go!
You all good? That was nice, I like that. Have we got any more cover that's on this side?
No, it's too far, the other one's too far. We'll get shot.
I'm gonna Frogger this shit. I was boss at Frogger. Really? I'm a frog, motherfucker, I'm a frog!
Oh, that's you there! You coming with us then?
Ribbit!
Hit! Have a clip on the hand.
Good enough.
Wait. I don't think there's anyone in that building. Where's that from?
Is it?
Story.
Better?
That's your story. What? Which window though? Right window. Back. Right forward, right top. Right top, I got it. Oh.
You know the building straight down from us?
That was the top one.
The building straight down for us has some horrible bits in it.
What? I know it does.
That one.
I know. I put rounds through the windows, no one reacted, so I presume there was no one in it. No, there's definitely somebody.
Yeah, there is. There's definitely bastards in there.
Well,
just how many bastards? I'm coming.
You're coming.
I'm gonna be a frog.
I'll go with you.
Ribbit, 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 I'm a frog! Fuck me, it worked.
Yes, sir.
Where?
That was good. That was like...
Just right then.
Quite shoot off it. Please put that out of your video before you shoot off.
I'm sorry. I think you got knackered. My friend! Friendly.
Yeah, I know, I saw it come in there.
Watch the window. They can see you through it. There you go, as long as the light's not hitting you, you should be fine. But there is a guy in the top window. Oh, go away. So,
I thought that was you shooting my leg.
No. Enjoying it?
Oh, fucking loving it.
Good to hear.
Mag change! Hit!
Yeah, fair dues.
Right.
I'm a frog! Ribbit, 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 ribbit!
Someone's just taking him out!
Why does that work?
You daddy frogger!
Ribbit! I'm a frog!
Move on!
Watch yourself, dude. I'm popping out. Move back a bit. Rach, watch your legs. Winding. Wind. Oh, that's not good.
Leave my gun there.
Ah, hey! We've got to smoke the door on the snake.
Two-story empty.
Sean, empty!
All of it.
Hello.
Yeah, there's someone in the yellow building. I think from the check.
Oh, someone goes straight past my face.
Quite a good aim.
Yeah,
Got the other guy in the
it's
fridge.
just there.
Yeah. Just there.
I heard that. It did sound pretty funny. I heard.
Yeah, he was going.
Whoop. Yeah, he's still there. Akka my daka. Yeah. Building straight to the 12.
A lot of fire going on.
Mm-hmm. Straight in, Andrew, straight in. See, just down here, there's a building in line with this corner.
Yep.
See the guy crouching in the doorway on the left.
There's also
Gun
one
hit.
on this side.
More on that side as well.
Yeah, it's behind the church. Through the gap.
Alls.
What's your range?
Mine, good, but inaccurate. Speaking of which, that's going down. Try again.
What's it like shooting from inside
They're
the...
shooting at us. You get ricocheted.
Tim! Building straight down to your 12. Building straight down to your 12.
Come over this side, people. There. Straight through the window, through the gap.
Moving up. Whoop! D!
How's it get a touch?
I'll do. Hi Tom.